Letter Y can be both a vowel and a consonant. Now let's see what sounds it makes. So you usually hear that y in a word like yarn. But letter Y can also say E, like when you pick a berry. But letter Y can also sound like I, like when you reach up to the sky. That's when Y sounds like I. Now letter P is the crust to I and E. What do you get when you put them together? Pie! Now put all those I's and E's in a bowl and mix them all up, then put the crust on top. Now with all those ingredients, we've got pie. And now those are all the sounds of Y.